I'm gonna share with you my top 5 income streams, and if you stay till the end of the video, I'll share another 3 with you. So that's 8 income streams that you can learn and you can do in this video. Frame here, what the hell? Whew. Hey everyone, that's too much freaking energy, dude. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Ghost Vergara back with Do My Life. It is Peso Mondays, and you know what that means? I'm gonna talk about business. If you are new to the channel, pretty much we talk about business, I do reviews, and I help expats transition to the Philippines. I notice when you're living in the Philippines, you're always looking for more income. Anywhere in the world, you're always looking for more income because people have goals, people have dreams, and people want to reach them. And pretty much it's always a struggle for someone like that. You know what I'm saying? Always looking for, opportunities. Looking for opportunities to attain their goals. This video is made for like those Pinoys who are not blessed with a lot of money, have some money trickling in, and want to know what to do with this money, as well as Filipinos or anyone else for that matter like me. I struggled in school, wasn't really academic material, I guess. I was thought to be a failure. I probably suffer from ADHD to some degree, where focus is always a big thing for me. So this is for you as well. And just that fight to want to become successful. If this video might be for you, if it does help you, smash that like button because it really helps the channel get discovered. These are my top 5 and more ways I have made passive income currently and before. So here we go. Number 1, YouTube. YouTube has given me consistently, it usually gives me about $100 every single month. Right? It's not a lot of money, but it's consistent. So I do have to put in the time to do it, but I enjoy making YouTube. So it's kind of like a pleasure type thing for me. And the returns are decent, not crazy, but I generally make about $100 or more from YouTube. With that said, I have made other types of money and other types of income from branding deals. Some of the videos that you see me review, I was given the products for free to review and or payment for them. So that's something that you guys can do. In the Philippines, that's about 5,000 pesos per month or more. So that's already like a third of the general income there in Dumaguete, which is I think about 15K per month, 20K per month. If I can find more ways to get to 15 to 20 to 100,000 per month, I'm going to do it because it's passive. I still make income from videos I made like 2 or 3 years ago. So in that sense, it is passive at this point in time. 2, Amazon. Amazon affiliates right now pays me about $40 per month. Because I am an affiliate, I put the links down below on all the reviews that I do. If you notice my links now, go check them right now. And most of my videos, I show them my gear and things like that. The reviews that I do, I have affiliate links to those. Generally speaking, I make about $40 a month from Amazon, which is, once again, not a lot, but it's coming in passively, and it's only time that it will grow eventually. Only time can tell for it to grow, because the more videos I make, the more reviews I make, it will generally keep boosting up. It will scale. So that's something for you to consider. Number 3, my pedicab. My pedicab, I probably put close to, I paid 30 for the thing, and I paid 60. Probably closer to the 100, 110,000, maybe even 120,000 peso investment. However, I just paid off the pedicab, so the 4,000 plus pesos a month I make from the pedicab is all passive now. Everything's paid off. I might do a little maintenance here and there because it's a motorcycle, but nothing to the degree where it's taking all the cash. So that's another form or passive income that I do make for myself, and you can too. You do have to invest initially in the beginning, but like with anything, once it's rolling, it's rolling. You do take some hits from time to time, however, it's rolling, so it might be an option for you. Number 5 is my piggery. Now, you can look through all my videos about my piggeries and stuff like that. I've had it for over 10 years. I've made a lot of money off the piggery over the past 10 years because number 1, I paid for 2 people's education from it, clean, I built a portion of my house from it. So generally speaking, that all I have used a lot of that passive income, and it still comes today. Now the deal that I have with my caretaker is a 60-40 split. They take 60%, I take 40%. I usually get paid every quarter, which is every 3 months. Now sometimes my payouts are like 6,000 going up. So once again, passive. I don't expect it to come, but it does, and it keeps rolling. Another thing is I own the property on the piggery, so don't forget I own the property on the piggery, so that's an asset that consistently appreciates over time. Those are my 5 that I consistently make income from. If you made it this far, thank you. And I'm going to share with you 3 more passive income streams that I have, that I make. So 6 are my dress rentals. I rent out dresses and for JS, prom, and things like that, and for weddings. Now, when we got married, we bought a lot of stuff. And we realized after we got married, people started asking us how much to rent this out, sir, this and that, whatever, whatever. So I, over time, have bought more dresses through the money that comes in and then flipping it and things like that. So even to this day, I get people renting the dresses. So that's another form of passive income that you can do as well. Number 7 is catering jobs. Once again, maybe some of you know or don't know, I also ran a restaurant. So with that, I bought many things, chafing dishes, many things that you need to outfit a restaurant on, and with when I closed down the restaurant, even while I had the restaurant and closing down the restaurant, I had people rent out the space. Now, when I closed down the restaurant, I had people still asking me, can you cater for this event? Can you cater for that event? Since I had the stock already, I was be like, yeah, go ahead, man. You know, just provide the tables. I have the cooks ready. And, you know, if you need food there, whatever. So basically, I make money passively through catering jobs. Now, I don't get that many catering jobs, so it doesn't really make the list for me. But in a year, I might get 4 or 5 catering jobs. And with that, the profits get passed along to me. So that is, to a degree, passive income. Many of you guys know how to cook. Many of you guys are talented in the kitchen. That is another option that you can take to make extra money for yourself. And 8, lastly, is my new venture, classifieds.ph. Now, my newest project, classifieds.ph, is pretty much a investment I'm making now in order to get paid for it in the future. So that's more me building up my digital traffic. I'll go more into making money online in a later video for Peso Mondays. But generally speaking, me building that site, my whole goal was to drive traffic towards it. You won't see any results off of it for another year or so, because I have to pay for the ads to, you know, pump into that. But eventually, after a while, it will start generating income just like YouTube does, just like Amazon does for me. So that is something you might consider doing, is opening up a website. Once again, that's classifieds.ph. Now, it's free, you know. Now, why I'm doing that is because there's always somebody selling something, and everybody needs a platform. That's why I created that. So those are my 8 passive income streams that I'm making to this day right now, and you can too. Hopefully that gave you some ideas. If you need help at all creating these things, let me know. Here's my email. Hit me up, and I'll try my best to help you as best I can. Once again, if this video gave you any type of value, smash that like button. I really want at least 50 likes on this video because it helps the channel get discovered. And even better, share the channel on your platforms, your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever, because I really appreciate your time that you gave me right now. So take care, God bless, and stay safe. Bye.